I haven't even been sleeping for 5 days straight just for this moment. Like, oh my god. I want I want to see how cute the house looks, my little summer house for today. It's gonna be so much fun, beach. I cannot wait for the new update. Like, I'm the number one biggest fan. Oh my god, I'm waiting. Where's that? Oh my goodness. That pink house is so cute. That house is so cute. What? The the owner even left some surfboards. What? Bro. Sand? I am impressed. I want to go see upstairs. Okay, so let's see the house. OMG. This house is so cute. Those chairs are so cute. The couch are so cute. The surfboard. Let's go see outside. So cute. I don't know why I said that I need a baby carriage, but it's okay. Is that what I think it is? I think it's what I think it is. A trampoline? Like what? I want to get off now. A barbecue? But I probably won't be using it. So now let's go change into our swimming suit. Let's close our doors. And we're gonna go to the beach, have the best time ever. It's gonna be so much fun. And I'm so excited for the beach. Like, my swimming suit's so cute. But I kind of want to go see the sunrise. So we're gonna go see the sunrise, and then I don't know if I want to go see the sunset, because like the sunset's like, it's okay, but like I kind of want to see the sunrise. Okay, so I got everything. Now let's go. So let's go in the car and get ready for the sunrise. I'm so excited for today's sunrise. Apparently today's meant to be the prettiest sunrise ever. I'm so ready. Let's go on the sunrise. That sunrise is so cute. Let's go on the floats now. The sun already rised, so let's go on the floats. It's gonna be so much fun. Why is it so far? Okay. Oh my god, that looks so much fun. I'm so excited. I'm so ready to go. Bro, why does it have to be so far? I'm so ready. Oh my god, slippery. I'm gonna fall. Bro, I'm falling. It's hard for me to walk. So slippery. Oh my god, I'm about to fall. Ooh, a waterfall. Oh my god, my head. I don't want to get my hair wet. Never mind. Just, oh my god. I need to just wipe my face. That was so much fun. Oh no, not another one. Let's go up the slide. Oh my god. That was so much fun. Let's keep going to the slide. Okay. What is this? Oh, let's just jump, hoping that we don't fall while jumping. Is that a trampoline? I want to go on it. That looks like it's so much fun. Oh my god, I was about to fall. Oh my god, it's so slippery. Let's go on this slide. Oh my god, that was so fun and fast. I'm so excited. Yeah, let's go on this thing. I don't know what it is. It's so slippery. Let's go on the slide. That slide looks like it's so much fun. Oh my god, it's so slippery. Uh-oh, I'm gonna fall in the ocean. Oh my god. I oh, oh my god, that was so much fun. Like, it was hard because, like, I didn't know where, like, the slide was. Bro, I just wanted the slide. Let's not. Oh my god. That was so much fun, though. That slide was the funnest slide since we came at the floats. Like, that was so much fun. Okay, let's keep going. What is this? I don't know. It's okay. Another trampoline. No, I don't want to go on it. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I fell. Oh my god, I keep falling. Why do I keep falling? Bro. Okay. This was my last fall. Okay? It was my last one. Like, I'm being so for real. This was my last one. Okay. So, I kind of want. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, are those like boxing things? But like in the water right now. Oh my god, it's so slippery. It's too slippery. Oh my god. Okay, let's get out of here. I kind of want to swim. Okay, let's swim back. I finally made it out. That was so much fun. But like, I feel like that's mostly not for kids, but like, you know. Oh my god. That was the best. Did I get a tan? I got a tan. Oh my god. I need to go in the water. Now. ASAP. I did not expect to get a tan. Oh my god. I think it left. It better did. I'm gonna be so mad if it didn't. I'm gonna look brown forever. It's not a bad thing. It came. Okay, I'm not 10 anymore. Went in the water, so the brown leaves. And now, let's go to the car. Let's go to the car and get home to our beach house. It's so cute though. I love the beach house. Like, so cute. Love it. The car's parked over there. Even though I'm soaking, I have some towels and I'll just dry myself when I get in the car so that I don't, like, so that the car doesn't get wet and the alarm doesn't go off for a while. So let's go. Okay, finally we're at home. I've been waiting for this moment and I'm so tired. Okay, I'll just park at the big parking. So now we need to fit in there. It's gonna be so hard to just go in because, like, why is it taking so long? Okay, we made it in. Now let's go out, close the door, and go at home. my god, the sand is so hot. It's burning. Oh my god. That sand was burning. That was so hot. Okay, so let's close the door. Oh my god, that was so... I want to go change because I don't feel that. I'm feeling cold because I just got out of the ocean. So, let's go change in better clothes. Okay, so now I'm changed in better clothes. My voice just left, and I don't know what happened. Let me just cough. Okay, my voice is back now. I feel like sitting on the couch, watching a little bit TV. Today was a fun day. I really loved it. Well, let's sit and like today was so